Do we go there one more time? Big applause.
Couple more.
Coffee apple.
So I sit on the board for Koku Hawaii Foundation. Jack Johnson and his wife Kim. We just had a board meeting last week, and the campaign grows bigger and bigger. More finances coming in. We support more schools. Send out more money and curriculum. Farm to table, recycle, reuse, sustainable. A couple weeks ago, we had Jack doing a show at Waikiki Shell. A bunch of us sat in, Jake Shimabukuro, John Cruz, myself, Ron Ortiz, Paula Funga. Some years ago, Koku Hawaii Foundation, we hosted Dave Matthews and Tim Reynolds. So I was so blown away by the performance. I went home and wrote this song. This song kind of like sounds like maybe Dave Matthews could have wrote it. But anyway, a little bluesy feeling. One verse says, "The vision of our young will carry us along." And so this is my personal rant against genetically modified organisms. So this is my private protest against GMO. Song called Mother Earth. What's been going on? Look what's happening all around. Time to make a change, 'cause change is what we need. The earth was made to provide, don't no chemicals and life. Live naturally, no better place to be. On Mother Earth. Our love is high. What the land give to me. Unforgotten generations to be. Vision of our young will carry us along. No time to wait, it's all slipping away. Gotta do what we can. Alteration, only causes complication. Everybody knows GMO has got to go on every nation. Vision of our young will carry us along. No time to waste, it's all slipping away. Gotta do what we can. What's been going on? Look what's happening all around. leave a better place to be on Mother Earth. Gotta do it again on Mother Earth. Gotta do it again on Mother Earth. Gotta do it again on Mother Earth. No GMO.
Please, if you can, a little big round of applause for Kavika Kahiambo. Joe Barrow Notice right here at the Made in Hawaii Festival. I had a good time tonight. Yeah, Kavika's will be on the side over here signing autographs and selling CDs. Please stop up by Vala'o Talk Story with Kavika.